A panoramic view of Whitsundays. All the mist over the mountains. A few boats on the moorings. Very low cloud. Nothing much to see at all. What's happening here? There's the back of the boat. There's the mainland. Coming around to the mooring area. There's all the boats on the mooring. Around and around. There we go. Starting to rain. Raining. And there's Able Point Marina in there. Zooming it a bit closer. Can't see much through the rain. And there it is.